Hello, body fangs, welcome to the bush. Guys, have you ever been on a proper 4x4 trippy? You and a couple of oaks wake up one morning, all of a sudden you get this brain poop of an idea. You're going to take the kapokkie trokkie and cruise through the bushes there. And you look at these oaks trokkies and you think to yourself, what the bloody went through this oak's mind? Yeah, they put all the wrong stuff on. The one guy even looks like he's making coffee out of the radiator. The other guy's exhaust pipe is so big you think he's making toast. And then they get onto the 4x4 track and then this happens.
Yeah. I'm probably just gonna camp here.
Yeah. Do it right the first time. Okay, go to the guys that actually know what 4x4ing is about. Wild Dog accessories. From front bumpers, back bumpers, rock sliders, bash plates for those sump. Yeah. Liggies, accessories, you name it, they've got it. Wild Dog accessories. Try it and test it. Check them out.